Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor on your phone. So this works in iOS and Android. So basically you get a crazy mod menu. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So as you can see, all the settings, super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the video. This is so insane, guys. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website. So the website is called ogplug.net. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, you just want to go ahead and type in Delta. So as you can see, there's tons of modded apps on this site. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in Delta. Let me just do that right here. So as you can see, it should come straight up. And there it is, Delta Executor. So we're just going to go ahead and press on it, guys, and then press the download button. And before it downloads, guys, we do have to do a verification. So this is where you download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see, and it should bring us to that list of apps. So as you can see, guys, it says right here we need to complete 2 of the offers. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of those right here. So then we're going to be good to go. So I'm going to do the Bible app. It's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back onto the list. And for the second app, I'm going to go ahead and do Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's go to the home screen and wait for these to download. Shouldn't expect a long wait time. So let's see if they're done yet. All right, let's go ahead and find out. So the Bible app is done, so I'm going to run it. And I'm just going to do some basic interactions, just touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just running it right here, pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I'm just running through it, pretty easy. All right. So just scrolling around, doing some basic interactions, pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go ahead and do it for a little bit more here, as you can see. All right. So I'm just running it, pretty simple. All right. Let's just go ahead and do that. All right. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done. So I'm going to go to the home screen, guys, and let's see if we got the app. So I'm going to do Family Island now. Same thing, guys. Just got to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. So it's super easy. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right. So yeah, it's super simple. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right. I'm just playing around with it. Pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right. So yeah, I understand if you haven't played the game before, but trust me, guys, this is very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it right here so you guys can see. All right. Just playing around with it. Pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and do that. All right. So I'm just doing this right here so you guys can see. All right. So yeah, anyway, guys, once you're done with the verification, the Delta Executor will be installed on your device. So be sure to try this out. So it's super cool. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more here. As you can see, all right, so I'm just playing around with it. Pretty easy. So anyway, guys, once you're done, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like content like this, because this is super awesome. Look at that, guys. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.